Unlocking the phrase, teach. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into the phrase, teach. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how and when to use it correctly in conversations. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Teach is a verb that primarily means to impart knowledge or skills to someone. It's about guiding or instructing someone to know something new or to enhance what they already know. For example, teachers teach students in schools, but parents can also teach their children various life skills at home. 1. Direct instruction. This is the most common use. For instance, she teaches mathematics at our school. 2. Imparting life lessons. Life has taught me to be patient. 3. Instructing through demonstration. Let me teach you how to dance. Remember, the subject of teach is often someone who possesses knowledge or a skill, and the object is typically the recipient of this knowledge or skill. Here are some frequently used expressions with teach. 1. Teach someone a lesson. This doesn't always refer to classroom lessons. It can mean to make someone realize their mistakes. For example, if he continues to behave this way, life will teach him a lesson. 2. You can't teach an old dog new tricks. A saying that means it's difficult for someone, especially older people, to learn or adopt new methods or ideas. 3. Those who can't do, teach. A controversial proverb suggesting that people who are unable to succeed in a particular field become teachers in that field. Remember, this is just a saying and not a general truth. Just a quick note on conjugation. Past, taught. E.g., she taught me how to cook. Future, will teach. E.g., he will teach English next year. And there we have it. The fascinating exploration of the term, teach. We've journeyed through its definition, uses, popular phrases, and even touched upon its different tenses. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and the more you know, the better you can communicate. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of teach and its applications. Happy learning and see you in the next video.